So hi guys, this is my unboxing for the Hazard Lite. Uh, it's for the Dominar 400. I purchased it from Simtech Automations. As you can see on the bill, it's for 1250 bucks only. Actually, I applied the discount coupon for that, and this is the box packing for the Hazard Lite. This is the authentication sticker. Do see or check for it if you order. And so guys, this is the Hazard Lite. These are the cables. They are this Hazard Lite is quite sturdy, and the packing itself is sturdy. The packing material is quite good. These are the wires. They are quite thick, and connectors are quite good quality. These are the wires and the tie bands. This is a switch. These are the modes which will be used to change the pattern of your flash Hazard Light, which I'll be showing later on in the video. So guys, let's watch the patterns. So this is the pattern for the dominar Hazard lights. These are the changing patterns. You will be getting like approximately like 20 patterns that are going to be in your Hazard light system or dominar. So guys, do like, comment and subscribe, and comment your views and your questions. I'll answer them.